Hi everyone, I'm Rob Friend.
And I'm Vicky Sanders.
And we're here today to talk to you about the Symphony and OpenFin Innovate Challenge. Now, a couple of months ago, Vicky and I had a crazy idea that it would be cool if we gave developers OpenFin's Workspace, Symphony's ECP, and FDC3, throw it all together and see what they came up with.
We gave them the basic starting packs, a broad goal, and only 2 days to do it. And we were absolutely blown away by the results. Before we get to that, however, let's recap the challenge. So we asked the participants to create an innovative solution using OpenFin Workspace and Symphony's embedded collaboration platform and FDC3 to showcase the power of interoperability and user-driven workflows.
So you can see the names of some of the participants behind me on the screen, and I want to thank all of them for taking part. But I realize not everyone here knows what Workspace and FDC3 and ECP means. So let's dig in a little bit and then we'll go from there. So the embedded collaboration platform, you've heard it mentioned earlier today already. It's the ability to really be precise with Symphony in your workflows. You can decide where you want a chat to appear, when you want it to appear. Your application can control that window and interact between the applications. So really useful when you're trying to build custom workflows for users. FDC3, we've talked about it in previous Innovates. That's the desktop interoperability standard. It's the way that applications can talk to each other across the desktop, whether they're passing securities or actions or any other kind of information. And Workspace.
Yes, OpenFin Workspace is a unified desktop experience. It empowers clients to create great customer and employee experiences, to bring together apps like Symphony, internal and external apps, into one unified desktop view. It also allows data and context to pass securely between those applications and to simplify workflows and increase productivity.
Okay, so that's the background. So let's talk about what they built. And let's remember, they only had 48 hours to get this stood up.
Yes, it's time to announce the winner. Before I do that, I want to thank all the firms who took part, but there can only be one winner, and that is RBC.
Congratulations, RBC. So let's welcome them on stage. Please welcome Will, Chris, and Pablo. Hey, welcome on stage.
Thank you.
So guys, tell us about what you built. Do you want to show us the demo of what you actually put together?
Yeah, absolutely.
Guys,
All right.
you want to take it?
Yes.
Stage is yours.
Okay, so let's imagine I'm looking for some information on the performance of 50 over the last year. And I know Pablo's got some useful information on this, so I'll bring up Symphony and send him a message.
Let's see what Chris wants. Okay, yes, I've got something on that. I'll launch a workspace and share it with him.
Okay, I got a reply back. Let's check it out. And there we have it, all the information I need in a workspace. And over to you, Rob.
I think we,
Over to you.
Yeah,
Sorry.
thank Will and team, wow, thank you. That looked great. How easy was it to put this together?
Yeah, I mean, bear in mind the team have got a lot of experience with these tools already, but I think that aside, we were incredibly impressed with what we managed to do in 48 hours. It was, yeah, definitely quick to build out.
Yeah, absolutely. And where do you think you could take this next?
So we're already looking at migrating it into our in-house platform. You know, and there's a number of teams we're working with to not only use the workspace sharing thing we showed here, but also some other workflows on top of that as well. And yeah, I think everyone's very excited about how quickly we can get that rolled out to them.
That's great. And Will, can you tell us a little bit about how OpenFin and Symphony and FDC3 fits into RBC's technology strategy?
Yeah, absolutely. I think, you know, we've got a lot of applications we build in-house, and there's numerous teams that are building these things. So for us, we need a way to have these applications all communicate, and I think OpenFin, FDC3, and Symphony are absolutely core to this interoperation and providing that unified experience to our front-end users.
Great. Thank you.
Brilliant.
Yeah, and thank you to all of our clients. If you think using OpenFin and Symphony together would help to improve your workflows, the good news is that the sandbox environment we created for this challenge remains available. So please get in touch with any of us, and we'd be delighted to help.
And thank you again to all those participants. We look forward to seeing your workflows in the next Innovates. But for now, I think that's us finished. Thank you, RBC. Thank you, Vicky.
Thank you.
All right.